Currently, in an all-digital era, we see digital transformation as very important, especially for those of us who work in the field of community empowerment. Of course, this is a must, and later it will make it easier and also increase our effectiveness in working to increase community knowledge, especially rural communities. Digital transformation of e-learning effectiveness for knowledge improvement in rural community empowerment aims to analyze the effectiveness of digital uses the concept of comparing both methodology of learning, either online or offline learning activity as the basis transformation of technology. Understanding these matters is an important basis for properly thinking about the position of human resources in the digital space, which is currently widely accepted as an effective method in which various forms of knowledge exchange take place. This paper provides a basis for pushing and formulating several change agendas. The first one is digital transformation becomes a field of opportunities and challenges in the world of learning. Technological advance developing very fast have led to digital transformation that has entered daily human life. Humans must continue to participate and adapt to technological progress. The second one is digital transformation has gradually changed process and learning habit. If we look at the current reality, digitalization has transformed into something that enables digitalization to handle every aspect of life, one of which is knowledge improvement. The third one is digital transformation makes learning activity easy and flexible in their implementation. Knowledge is the most significant investment field in building and shaping human resources as a whole. The touch of education belief in forming civilized and quality human resources. And the last but not least, this digital transformation can also be helpful for changes in human behavior. Education is not only about the content of the material provided, but also the potential development and habituation of participants to new things that will be faced when they come down in society. Many factors influence the opportunities and challenges of digital transformation in learning activity. The methodology of this paper using literature studies and secondary data. This paper seeks to provide a critical perspective on the issue of digital transformation of e-learning effectiveness for knowledge improvement in rural community empowerment, which has developed significantly in Indonesia. It has been implemented at the BBPPM Yogyakarta. This study combined two main concepts, digitalization as a process and a new system that drives digital space today. The use of information in digital form creates and obtains new value in a new way. And the concept of increasing knowledge of human resources is more effective.
Based on a survey by the Indonesian Statistical Center in 2020, 56.7% of Indonesian population live in urban areas. And this number is projected to continue to increase to 66.67% in 2035. In cities, people will quickly get job opportunities. Developed to increase community capacity can be used as a solution so that people can increase their knowledge, skill, and attitudes to develop their potential and environment to seize opportunities to achieve a better life in the village. Utilization of digital technology as a learning medium will have a positive impact, educate and enrich people's skills. This digital media utilize the internet to concert source of information with the public. Based on 2021 survey by the Association of Indonesian Internet Service Provider, the penetration of internet use in Indonesia is 77% of the population. The primary purpose of extending the internet is 92.21% to find information and news, with 89% accessing using mobile phones. This data illustrates that most Indonesian people are active in utilizing digital media, and the average digital media use social media. Because many people use social media, government against most start utilizing it in carrying out their duties and function so that the service provided can touch the community more. The benefit obtained through the use of social media for government against include: 1. The public has the opportunity to be able to collaborate with the government in various activities carried out by the government through comment or response to posts on social media. 2. The use of social media can save budget costs incurred by the government in carrying out its duties and function. For example, the budget for banner printing, consumption, and official travel. 3. Through social media, information and service provided by the government can reach many people anywhere without being hindered by time and location restriction. The use of social media and video conferencing, such as Zoom, can help the community increase knowledge due to the intensity of extraordinary attention to the content of the information providing during training, counseling, and mentoring. To increase skill and attitude, direct practice is needed, which can be carried out by participants by viewing tutorial video on social media or carried out face-to-face with trainers.
Finally, our conclusion are: empowerment of rural communities by increasing capacity through social media use has become the basis for the effectiveness and expansion of online-based knowledge and competency transfer in the development of today's digital world. Increasing digital tech literacy among the public, 70% of our society is currently a digital society, but understanding of how digital works has yet to be sufficiently encouraged to the lowest level, namely the individual. Thank you, that's all our presentation.
See you on the next occasion.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.